In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a vendor in Build.com. Whether you're new to Build.com or just looking to streamline your vendor management process, this tutorial will make it easy for you to get started. Let's dive right in. To begin, navigate over to the left-hand sidebar of your Build.com dashboard. This is where you'll find all the main navigation options that allow you to manage your finances effectively. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the tab labeled Vendors. This section is specifically dedicated to managing all your vendor-related activities, making it a crucial part of your business operations. After clicking on the Vendors tab, you'll be directed to the Vendor Management page. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the vendors you currently have in your system. But today, we're focusing on adding a new vendor to this list. So, direct your attention to the top right section of your workspace screen, where you'll find a blue button clearly marked as Add Vendor. Go ahead and click on this button to proceed to the next step. Now, you're in the Vendor Addition interface. This is where you'll input all the necessary details about the new vendor you wish to add. It's crucial to ensure that the information you enter here is accurate and complete, as these details will be used for all future transactions with this vendor. Typically, you'll need to provide details such as the vendor's name, contact information, and any other pertinent business information. If you have the vendor's tax ID or any specific payment terms, this is also the place to include them. Remember, the more detailed and accurate your entries, the smoother your transactions will be later on. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, take a moment to review it. Double-check for any typos or missing details that could potentially cause issues down the line. It's always a good idea to ensure everything is correct before moving forward, as this will save you time and hassle in the future. Finally, when you're confident that all the vendor details are accurate and complete, it's time to save the information. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the page. Clicking this button will add the vendor to your list, making them available for any transactions you need to process. And that's it. You've successfully added a new vendor to Build.com. This simple process not only helps you keep track of your vendors, but also makes managing your business transactions more efficient and organized. By regularly updating your vendor list, you ensure that your business operations run smoothly and without a hitch. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you feel more confident in managing your vendors within Build.com. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore more of our guides for additional support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Happy managing!